What's the meaning of antics? Antics. 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 Antics.
Antics refers to playful or mischievous behavior, often done for amusement or attention. It can also describe unusual or absurd actions that are unpredictable or even dangerous. The word is commonly used in reference to animals, particularly when they appear to be engaging in silly or amusing behaviors. When people refer to someone's antics, they may be commenting on their unpredictable or eccentric behavior, often with a hint of disapproval. In general, the term antics suggests a sense of lightheartedness or playfulness, but it can also imply a lack of seriousness or decorum.